What drugs actually include? Misuse of pharmaceuticals. Students don't realize that they are consuming them. Students have easy access to the vendors. Influence of the pop culture. This is not about just punishment or penalties. Today we are going to talk about a very important issue that we face and see around us, but sometimes we also ignore it. It is drug prevention and control among the students. We see drugs being used by students everywhere among us, but we also ignore it a little. Now, let's see what drugs actually include. We say drugs, but then it has a lot of things included in it. First is misuse of pharmaceuticals like sleeping pills or cough syrup, and even chemical agents like whiteners or thinners are also considered as drugs, and students don't realize that they are consuming them, which are included in the energy drinks that they consume or coffees or milk. Along with this, chemical substances and harmful chemicals like LSD, heroin, ganja, and everyday substances like vapes, cigarettes, or e-cigarettes are common among students. Why are students drawn to using these kind of substances? First is easy access. Students have easy access to the vendors that are supplying them these drugs. They are surrounded by these vendors around the campus, like a cafe or pan shops, tattoo artists, nail polish, or even bindis can include drugs like these. As we don't realize, students also don't realize that these kind of substances can contain drugs that can enter their body. Along with this, influence of the pop culture, the reels, Instagram, YouTube, or the media influence is so great that it glamorizes the use of these kind of drugs, and students think it is cool to use these kind of drugs and are drawn to them. Next is peer pressure. Sometimes students don't use these drugs because they want to, but it is because they have to. This can happen at freshers parties, birthdays, late night college gatherings, hostel gatherings, or a class trip. The pressure is very quiet, but it is very powerful, and it can manipulate a certain student to take these kind of drugs. Along with this, students are also not aware of the consequences and effects of these kind of substances on their bodies, their mental health, and their physical health. And they're also not aware of the legal bindings or the legal consequences that they might face if they are caught using these kind of drugs. This is an effort to alert and protect the students and not punish them. We have to ensure that that the students feel safe in the campus and around the campus areas and are not drawn to these kind of substances. This is not about just punishment or penalties. It is about teaching them what is right and what is wrong and protecting them from being exposed to these kind of substances.